Have you ever stopped mid-bite into a delicious French fry and thought, how did this get here? From a quiet farm field to a fast food tray, the journey of a single fry is longer and more fascinating than you might think. Today, we're uncovering the full process of how potatoes become French fries. Welcome to Process Revealed. The journey begins in fertile agricultural regions where farmers grow potatoes specifically bred for frying, like Russet Burbank, Innovator, and Chipotle. These potatoes have the perfect balance of starch and low moisture, making them ideal for a crispy exterior and fluffy center. In spring, farmers prepare the land using deep tilling and fertilization. The seed potatoes, small potato chunks with at least one eye, are planted in rows. As the plants grow, they are carefully irrigated and monitored for pests, diseases, and nutritional needs. After about 3 to 4 months, the potatoes are ready for harvest. Using heavy machinery, they are dug out from the soil and collected in bulk, while still unwashed and covered in dirt. These potatoes don't go straight to your plate. They first arrive at a massive processing plant where the transformation begins. Here, they're unloaded, often by the ton, and stored in cool, dry warehouses until it's time to process. The first step is cleaning. High-pressure water jets wash off dirt, debris, and any residual pesticides. The clean potatoes are now ready for grading and sorting. Every potato is scanned for defects. Optical sorters evaluate size, shape, and surface flaws. Any potatoes that are too small, oddly shaped, or have green spots are rejected. Workers also perform visual inspections to double-check what machines might miss. Only the best quality potatoes move forward to the cutting stage. Next, the potatoes go through steam peelers. These machines blast the potatoes with high-pressure steam for a few seconds, loosening the skin. Rotating rubber rollers then rub the skins off, leaving a clean, white potato. Immediately afterward, the potatoes are pushed through high-speed cutters. These machines slice them into long sticks, uniform in thickness and length. Some factories use water knives, slicing the potatoes with jets of water, moving faster than the speed of sound. The cut fries are then briefly soaked in water to remove surface starch, helping to prevent them from sticking together later. Before frying, the fries are blanched, meaning they are quickly boiled in hot water. This helps remove excess sugar, improves color, and partially cooks the fries' interior. After blanching, the fries are dried with air blowers to remove surface moisture. This prepares them for the first round of frying. The dried fries are dropped into vats of hot oil, usually vegetable oil, for a very short time. This is called par frying. It creates a thin outer crust, while the inside remains soft and uncooked. This step is essential to lock in flavor and shape. The fries are then drained and cooled rapidly. Now that they've been par-fried, the fries are flash frozen. This is done in a freezing tunnel where cold air circulates at temperatures below 40 degrees. Freezing preserves the fries for shipping and storage. Thanks to this, the fries can travel thousands of kilometers and still retain their quality when finally cooked. Once frozen solid, the fries move through packaging machines. They are weighed, filled into branded bags, sealed, and labeled. These packages are then boxed and stacked onto pallets. The boxes are stored in massive freezers until trucks pick them up for distribution to restaurants, grocery stores, or export facilities. Refrigerated trucks keep the fries frozen as they are delivered to fast food chains like McDonald's, Burger King, and KFC. Temperature control is key. If fries thaw before final frying, they become soggy and unusable. Once delivered, they're stored in restaurant freezers until it's time to cook. At the fast food counter, your fries are finished with a second, final fry. They are placed into deep fryers for 2 to 3 minutes. This final fry transforms the pale, frozen sticks into golden, crispy fries with a soft, fluffy interior. After frying, they're shaken to remove excess oil, salted, and served here. Crispy, golden, and irresistible. If you make fries at home, you're skipping the industrial steps, but the basics are the same. You wash, peel, cut, soak, dry, and fry. Double frying at home mimics the professional method. First, at a lower temp to cook the inside, then a second fry at high heat to crisp the outside. You can also bake or air fry your fries for a healthier alternative. So, next time you bite into a French fry, remember, it's more than just a snack. It's the